Hi, we are so glad that you stopped at Truck U. I just want to tell you that we are very proud here that we are one of the only schools in town, in fact, we're the only school in town that offers CDL A training on the manual and automatic, CDL B training with or without the passenger endorsement, and we also offer days, nights, and weekend classes. We are as flexible as we can be to get you in. We want to work with you and have you get your CDL. We have the best instructors and the most flexible schedule. If you want to learn more about Truck U, give us a call at 702-533-3565.